cheek. No peeking.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Come on.
Happy birthday. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mommy's got you and Daddy's
Go
got
with
you.
Daddy.
Did you get new shoes for your birthday?
Wow.
Coming through the gate. There. Keep your hand down.
Keep it on. Don't touch it.
Run, Jennifer, run.
Keep it down. Don't trip on the apples with her left. Ready?
Wow. I really wanted that.
Yeah.
Hey.
Wow.
You needed that, huh?
How much do you like it?
So good.
So good?
So what do you say to Mommy and Daddy?
You're welcome.
Big hug.